fix the push part. It was in the opposite direction, but look. Now it works, guys. Man, I'm a good mechanic. So I disassembled the whole car to clean everything. I gave him a deep cleaning. Everything is lubricated. Everything is clean. I just need to check if the servos are working properly, and I also have to check the motor. The only thing is I'm gonna have a hard time is setting up the carburetor back to the factory settings. So the throttle is supposed to come backwards to the left and is going to the front. I don't know if that's correct. I'm gonna check. I had an extra air intake. For the meantime, I just put a napkin. But yeah, guys, have a little bit of rust there, but everything is clean. Yeah. On the next video, I think I'm gonna check the oil from the suspension, and I'm gonna fill it up with a new one. Yep. So that's it, guys. Jaden?
Leave a like!
And what else?
Leave a subscribe.
Okay. You heard him, and thank you for watching, guys.